There it is. Look at that beauty right there. Sheesh. All right, Chico. All right, Chico. Where are we, Bubba? Where are we? Chico. Spend some time. This is my baby right here. This is the 1981 Chevy El Camino. Blue on blue. Oh, Jaco. Situated before we come out here. But look at this. Bad boy is still in good condition. Sheesh. We got them tires on it last year. It's still good. Brand new boys. But, where's what?
The dog and the baby.
He's over there. It's all good. It's all good. It's a beautiful sunny day. You hear him? He's just out here chilling. Asher's right here. What's up, Papa? You remember the El Camino? All right. Anywho, we gotta get ready. Gotta get situated. What's up, baby? Oh my goodness. Gosh, this day is beautiful. All right. Now that we're all settled, and by the way, we're at my mom's house, and we're gonna just spend some time hanging out, barbecue. Oh, look at Boogie. Then I definitely wanna work on the car. I brought a tool bag, and so I just wanna check up on this car, see how it is. I remember that the alternator, it needs a new alternator. I don't even have a case on my phone. So what's good, y'all? I'm here on this beautiful sunny day here in the valley, and I just want to show you guys my baby, my passed down 1981 Chevy El Camino. And I just want to give y'all a walk around and what to expect from this channel. You're about to see a lot more of this bad boy, and I'm trying to get it ready for, you know, like the events for like where I'm at. They do a thing called Hot August Nights and Street Vibrations. So it's mainly for in the family and get it all cleaned up, fixed. But yeah, you see, baby, we're gonna get this bad boy a wash. I'm gonna show everyone what it looks like. It's soap, baby. All right, so I'll show you guys what it's gonna look like once it's all shiny and cleaned up, and we'll get back to you. As you can see, there's some rust building up. I'm just trying to scrub off all the excess dirt that's back here. It's looking pretty good. I mean, it's not too bad, but it's been sitting for a while. So I mean, you can see right there, it's not bad of rust. I mean, it's very fixable. It's in the process though, but you guys can tell just how beauty the paint job is and how well this El Camino is taken care of. I'll keep you guys posted, but other than that, I mean, it's not bad at all. It had this in the bedding, so I mean, it's been well taken care of. Other than that, I mean, the body itself, there's no rust whatsoever. I mean, besides these little tiny ones that could be easily fixed, but other than that, I mean, wow, the El Camino is looking great. So tell me what you guys think. But wow, yeah, it's such a beautiful car. Let me guys know what you guys think about this beauty right here.